Natalia, speaker today. As we all know, Woodpecker has exploring the journey of endodontic for more than a decade. Over the years, we have constantly challenged ourselves and launched smarter endo products. Now, I'm glad to introduce you our new arrival, the Gutta-percha obturation system, FIE. First, we're going to show you the appearance. The high-end white color scheme makes it a timeless practical piece in the clinic. Only 20 millimeter diameter at the smallest holding part, and 148 grams in the width. FIE is smaller and lighter than other brands, bringing you a more convenient and easier treatment. Symmetrically designed dual injection buttons allow free switch of left and right-handed operation, facilitating root canal filling of special tooth positions. An indicator window for remaining gutta-percha is designed at the front of the handpiece. No matter whether the machine is turned on or not, the remaining gutta-percha can be seen accurately and intuitively, avoiding the insufficient obturation. In addition, we also provide you with several reusable injection needles. In order to meet strict infection control requirements, we also provide disposable injection needles. And the injection needle can be 360-degree rotatable, which is very convenient. Here, it has to be mentioned that our dentist friends must often worry about the leakage and the residue cleaning. To solve these two problems, we have improved the loading way. Directly load the gutta-percha bar into the injection needle. In this way, there will be no gutta-percha residue inside the machine. Compared to traditional manual gutta-percha injection, FIE has a built-in high-speed motor to electrically drive gutta-percha out, which ensures uniform and smooth output without bubbles, like this, contributing to a much higher success rate of root canal filling. You may ask, now that FIE is an electric gutta-percha obturation system, how long can it last? Will they run out of power after short-term usage? Don't worry, we have taken all those factors into consideration. Currently, other brands of electric gutta-percha obturation come with one battery and standard. FIE is equipped with two 2000 mAh large capacity batteries that can be easily replaced to ensure the continuity of the treatment. And just one battery is enough for you to complete 50 times of treatment. The two batteries enable alternate charging, which is equivalent to 24 hours of standby. Besides, the charging base enables real-time battery temperature monitoring, guaranteeing the charging security. Also, we have set a protection mechanism. First, auto shutdown after timeout. The machine will automatically shut down after 5 to 10 minutes of in operation. Time limit is adjustable within 5 to 10 minutes with an interval of 1 minute. Second, auto heating stop after timeout. The machine will automatically stop after heating for more than 2 minutes. Now, let's watch a video to review the product features. This is Woodpecker New Arrival, FIE, the electric Gutta-percha obturation system. Woodpecker obturation system, your best choice. To appreciate our dental friend for your support to Woodpecker, we have held a lucky draw on Facebook page. I believe that you already know the number 5 is FIE. Thanks for your participation.